Find or read reviews that people are talking about WIPEMIK 15.6-inch laptop computer, Intel quad-core N5095 processor. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. 12 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD. This laptop computer has 12 GB LPDDR4X RAM and 512 GB NVMe SSD storage. It is made to do it all and make multitasking easier. Storage also supports up to 2 TB expansion. TF card slot supports up to 256 GB. Reliable performance. WIPEMIK P15.6 laptop is powered by an Intel quad-core processor, Intel UHD Graphics 600, keeping your apps running smoothly. Get all the performance you need for home, school, and work. Purposeful design. The integrated privacy shield slides over the webcam for instant privacy protection against prying eyes and disturbances. And you can enjoy more possibilities with the lay flat 170 degrees hinge, for easy screen sharing with your friends. Display Plus system. It has a 15.6 inches 1080p, FHD, IPS display. It's perfect for web browsing and streaming videos, allowing for sharp, clear images. Pre-installed Windows 11 Pro system make the everyday easier. Connection. This laptop PC has USB Type-C, USB 3.0, USB 2.0, you are always prepared for any situation. You can also connect to an external display via HDMI port. It also support 2.4/5 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2. And other features that video introduce the latest products channel does not recommend. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.